If you've ever experienced those frustrating moments when your PC freezes randomly or lags like crazy on Windows 11 or 10, you're in the right place. Tip 1. Check for updates. The first thing you want to do is ensure that your operating system and drivers are up to date. Microsoft frequently releases updates to improve system stability and performance. Head over to Settings, then Update and Security, and check for updates. Tip 2. Manage startup programs. Too many programs launching at startup can slow down your PC. Go to the Task Manager by clicking on the taskbar and selecting Task Manager. Navigate to the Startup tab and disable unnecessary programs. This can significantly speed up your boot time and reduce lag. Tip 3. Adjust power settings. Sometimes your power settings may be causing performance issues. Go to Power and Sleep Settings, click on Additional Power Settings, and choose the High Performance Power Plan. This ensures your PC is running at its full potential. Tip 4. Check for malware. Malware can be a major culprit behind system freezes. Run a full system scan using your antivirus software to ensure your PC is clean and secure. If you don't have one, consider installing a reputable antivirus program. Tip 5. Update graphics drivers. Graphics drivers play a crucial role in your PC's performance. Head to the Device Manager, find your graphics card, right-click, and select Update Driver. Make sure you have the latest drivers installed. Tip 6. Adjust Visual Effects. Windows comes with various visual effects that can impact performance. Go to System, then Advanced System Settings, and under the Advanced tab, click on Settings in the Performance section. Choose Adjust for Best Performance, or manually select the effects you want. And there you have it, folks. If your Windows 11 or 10 PC has been freezing randomly or lagging, give these tips a try. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, subscribe for more tech tips, and let us know in the comments if you have any other topics you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy computing!